Hello and welcome back to our Python series. We have completed loop and conditional statement. Let's start to the list. List are the collection of different data types. Let's initialize loops. Loops can be initialized in two ways, either in static way or in dynamic way. Static way means we will initialize in the compile time, that is before running the application, and dynamic means we will initialize or add element when we are running the program. Let's initialize statically. Suppose list 1 is equal to, there are some elements, suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Let's say print. How to execute list 1 and index will be start from 0. Let's save it and run it. Yes, we will get 1. Change the index 4. Let's say 5. It will give error because our range is up to 4. 0 1 2 3 4. Let's try again, run it. Let's change the value to 3, save it and run it. Yes, we have got 4. We can initialize here as variable 2. This is a string. I am writing A, B, C, D. Let's took this. Let's run it. As we have got it. Let's print all element of the list. We have to use loop here to print all. For I in range, we have range of 5, 0 to 5. Print I. Simple, we have to print I. Let's run it and test it. So we have got something here. We have initialize here 0. 0 means nothing. Means it will go 0 to minus 1. Means here is no element in minus 1. Let's run it again. As we have got the range, but we have to print the list 1 comma, we have to print with the indices. This is the slices or indices of the list. Let's run it and print it. A, B, C, D and 5. Let's initialize a dynamic list. For it we can set a list. Let's take it as 5, then enter. Print, A is equal to input, enter, for this, enter the element Let's For putting the value in this list, there is two way, but we will use either we have to place in a specific position or we have to place at the last position. Let's talk about last position. We can simply append it, a dot append, list 1 dot append, append, simply pass the variable that we have get from input. We will print it later. Let's print list 1 simply. Print, run it. Let's do 5 4 5 3 7 8. Let's see, this is the list we are talking about. Let's parse it here. Int, run it and see what will happen here. Element 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see, the quotation marks have been removed because quotation mark is used in string, not in integer. Let's search element in the list. We will use again for loop. For I in range five. Before that we will input item is equal to int input, enter the item to search. Here if, let's say location, we will take the list of location. C is equal to list. If item double is equal to list 1 dot with index I, then log is equal to log dot append. Simply we will append I, means the position, else we will do nothing. We will print the list here before item. We will take if len dot loc, means it will count the len, means length of the any variable or any list. Double is equal to 0, means there is no item in the list of location. Then print element not found, else print element 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 found 8 found. We will just write found, we will discuss more about later. 5. I will enter 2 3 4 6 7, only this. Let's search for 3 element found. Let's run it again. 2 3 4 5 6. I will search for 1 element not found. This is how we can search in the list. Now inserting in a specific position. We will give the search element. Entered means enter element to search. Let's make it integer by parsing it. Input, enter number to insert. P for position is equal to int input enter position to insert. Now list 1 dot insert means it will insert in the specific position. It will take 2 parameter. First one is position and second one is value, TRED, entered. Let's save it and let's print here list 1. Let's run it. Element 1 2 3 4 and 5. Let's insert element 6. Let's take the location 3 means it will place at the 4th position. See 1 2 3 4th, because we always start from 0 0 1 2 3 4. It will count to 4 position. 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. Let's search for 6. Yes, it will say element found. Yes, we have location 2, but we are not printing it. We will print it later. Now if we want to delete something here, let's move below. Let it delete is equal to, let's parse it to int input enter element to delete. List 1 dot remove, simply pass element DELE, delete. We are not handling any error here because we will take this class in upcoming videos. Just we are getting that what we enter is correct, so we will print this here also. List 1. Let's run it and try it. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Let's insert 8 at the position of 4. Yes, 40, no, 4. Let's see, 8 has been inserted at 4th position. Let's search for 2. No, 9. It will say not element found. I want to delete 2. Yes, it has been deleted, and we have get 1, 3, 4, 8 and 5. Here we have done 4 operations. First of all, traversing means we have print all element. This is called traversing, that we have done previously using loop. We have insert element, we have search element here and delete element from here. Now the final things is printing with loop for I in range 5, print list 1, then I. Let's run it and see what happening here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's insert 6th as position 5 and search 3. Delete 5. Let's see that it actually giving on line break, means it is printing in next line. If we want to print in same line, then we can do here comma and is equal to simple, we will pass and is equal to a empty string. Let's run it and what will happen here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert, I will insert 1 at position 0 and search 4. It will found. I will delete 7. Yes, it has been deleted. Let's look, it is printing on same line. Now we have to give space here, and we can use here tab too. /t, it will give 6 spaces. Let's run it. Let's run it again. Yes, I will enter 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I will insert 8 at the position of 5th and I will search for 9th. It will not found here, and I want to delete 2 and it has been deleted, and it is printing with 6 spaces. This is for this video. We will start 2-dimensional list in next video. Thank you for watching this video.